Have you ever tried to describe someone but didn't know the English words? Maybe you wanted to say she has curly hair, or he's wearing a red jacket, but the words just disappeared. Don't worry, you're not alone. And that's exactly what we're going to fix today. Welcome to day 9 of our Shadowing Speaking Challenge. You've already done so much work and I'm really proud of your progress. Today we're going to practice useful sentences to describe people clearly and simply. We describe people all the time when we meet new friends, when we tell a story, or when we give directions. Even something like, "He's tall and has brown eyes," can help you communicate better in real life. That's why this episode is so important. You'll learn how to talk about someone's hair, clothes, body, and personality, using short, clear English sentences. As always, I'll say each sentence twice. First, listen. Second, speak with me. This is your moment to speak out loud and shadow with confidence. So, picture someone in your mind, maybe your best friend, a celebrity, or even yourself. Let's learn how to describe people in English and sound natural while doing it. Are you ready? Let's go. Each repeated 3 times for shadowing. He is very tall. He is very tall. He is very tall. 2. She has long black hair. She has long black hair. She has long black hair. 3. He is wearing glasses. He is wearing glasses. He is wearing glasses. 4. She has curly blonde hair. She has curly blonde hair. She has curly blonde hair. 5. He looks strong and healthy. He looks strong and healthy. He looks strong and healthy. 6. She is short and slim. She is short and slim. She is short and slim. 7. He's wearing a blue t-shirt. He's wearing a blue t-shirt. He's wearing a blue t-shirt. She has green eyes. She has green eyes. She has green eyes. 9. He has a beard. He has a beard. He has a beard. 10. She is smiling. She is smiling. She is smiling. 11. He looks tired. He looks tired. He looks tired. 12. She seems very friendly. She seems very friendly. She seems very friendly. 13. He is about 30 years old. He is about 30 years old. He is about 30 years old. 14. She's wearing a red dress. She's wearing a red dress. She's wearing a red dress. 15. He has short brown hair. He has short brown hair. He has short brown hair. 16. She looks angry. She looks angry. She looks angry. 17. He is very handsome. He is very handsome. He is very handsome. 18. She is beautiful and confident. She is beautiful and confident. She is beautiful and confident. 19. He's wearing a black jacket and jeans. He's wearing a black jacket and jeans. He's wearing a black jacket and jeans. 20. She has a big smile. He has a big smile. He has a big smile. Great job today. You now know 20 ways to describe people clearly in English. These sentences are useful for travel, storytelling, and everyday conversations. Keep practicing and you'll sound more fluent and confident every time. If you like this episode, make sure to subscribe and come back tomorrow for day 10, the final day of our speaking challenge. We're going to have fun and wrap it up with one of the most useful topics. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and remember your English is getting better every single day. See you soon.